മ്യൂച്വൽ ഫണ്ട്സ് SIPs അതിന് ഒരു സ്ലൈറ്റ്ലി ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് കളർ ഫീൽ സെയിം ഡിസൈനൊക്കെയാണെങ്കിൽ കളർ ഒന്ന് ചെറുതായിട്ട് മാറ്റി പിടിച്ചാൽ ഇതിപ്പോൾ നമ്മളൊരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് അതൊരു ലൈറ്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് IPOs സെപ്പറേറ്റ് IPOs ഒക്കെ എനിക്ക് നാളെ
സുജോ, സെൻസിബിള് പറയുന്നു സ്ലൈറ്റ് ബിയറിഷ്നെസ് ആണ് കാണുന്നത്. 25,000 മുകളിലൊക്കെ റെസിസ്റ്റന്റ് സോണുകളാണ്. നോ സപ്പോർട്ട് സീൻ അറ്റ് ഓൾ എന്ന്. ഞാൻ വായിക്കണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പുല്ല് വായിച്ചിപ്പോ പേടിച്ച്. അതായത് 65. ഞാനത് ആലോചിക്കുക, 65 എന്നുള്ളത് വലിയൊരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഇതങ്ങ് തട്ടിയാലോ. കാരണം അത് ബാക്കി ഉണ്ടാക്കുക. ഇപ്പൊ സ്റ്റോക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റിന്റെ കോഴ്സ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്, അതിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഇത് കിട്ടും. പിന്നെ ഇന്നത്തെ സെൻസെക്സ് എക്സ്പയറി വരുന്ന നിഫ്റ്റി എക്സ്പയറി ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, അതിന്റെ ട്രേഡിങ്ങിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും കിട്ടും. ഇപ്പൊ ഒരു 25 രൂപ നഷ്ടം വന്നപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് കുഴപ്പമില്ല എന്നുള്ളൊരവസ്ഥയിലാ. എനിക്ക് 25ഓളം വരുന്നു. എത്ര വരും? 1200 ഇൻറ്റു 18, ഇല്ല 20. ഓക്കെ, കൃത്യം കണക്ക് എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മയില്ല. മറ്റേ ട്രേഡുകൾ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് മൊത്തത്തിലൊരു അപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പുല്ല് പേടിച്ച്, വെറുതെ പേടിച്ച് രാവിലെ പേടിക്കാൻ. എന്തെങ്കിലും കുറഞ്ഞ നഷ്ടത്തിൽ എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ എനിക്കൊരു 66-67 എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഞാൻ ഓക്കെയാണ് ശരിക്കും. എനിക്ക് വലിയ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. സുജുവിന് അത്ര തന്നെ നഷ്ടം വരുമല്ലോ. എന്നാണ് ഞാനിപ്പോ കരുതുന്നത്. മാത്രല്ല ഇന്നിപ്പോ സ്ട്രീമും ചെയ്യണ്ട, സ്വസ്ഥായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റണേ. അതും കൂടി ഷോർട്സ് അല്ല, ഷോർട്സ് ഞാൻ ചാർട്ട് മാത്രമായിട്ടൊക്കെ ഇടാം. അത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല, അത് വലിയ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. അത് ഷോർട്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇന്ന് എടുക്കുന്ന ട്രേഡിനാണോ? നിയാസ് കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം പറഞ്ഞ് ഫെയർ വാല്യൂ ലിക്വിഡിറ്റിയുടെ ബ്രേക്ക് ഔട്ട് ഉണ്ട് എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. പക്ഷെ സെൻസിബിൾ നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരുമാതിരി എന്ത് പരിപാടിയാണ് സെൻസിബിൾ കാണിച്ചു. സെൻസിബിൾ പറഞ്ഞെല്ലാം ശരിയാവണമെന്നുണ്ടോന്നല്ലേ? അതില്ലല്ലോ, സെൻസിബിൾ പറയുന്നൊന്നും പൊതുവെ ശരിയാവാറില്ല. ദൈവമേ, FII സോൾഡ് 500 കോടി പുല്ല്. ബിയറിഷ്നെസ് ഫ്രം FII പ്രോ. സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് 25,030 25,030 റേഞ്ചിലൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും. ഒരു 80 പോയിന്റ് അപ്പായിരിക്കും. അപ്പൊ ഒരു 4-5 പോയിന്റ് നമ്മുടെ കയറും. ഫസ്റ്റത്തെ 5 മിനിറ്റിലല്ലേ? ഉറപ്പായിട്ടും അത് വരട്ടെ, 5 മിനിറ്റ് വരട്ടെ. ഇന്ന് ലൈവ് ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ, 9:30. അപ്പൊ ഏതെങ്കിലും ടാബിലൊക്കെ ഓപ്പൺ ആക്കി വെച്ചേക്കണം. നിങ്ങൾ ആ പിള്ളേരുടെ പേരിൽ ഓരോ ഗൂഗിൾ അക്കൗണ്ട് എടുക്കും സുജു. ഏജ് അങ്ങോട്ട് മാറ്റി കൊടുക്കണം. ഏജ് പിന്നീട് മാറ്റി കൊടുക്കാലോ. അങ്ങോട്ട് കൊടുക്ക്, മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് അന്നത്തെ പോലെ മൂഞ്ചാൻ വയ്യാന്നൊരു ഇത്. ഇതൊക്കെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ അവസ്ഥയിൽ ഇത് സഹിക്കാവുന്ന നഷ്ടം. ഇപ്പൊ ഒരു 65-66 ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സഹിക്കാവുന്നൊരു നഷ്ടമാണ്. അതങ്ങ് സഹിച്ചിട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് വിട്ടാലോ എന്നുള്ളതുണ്ട് എനിക്ക്. പിന്നെ ഈ സെൻസെക്സ് എക്സ്പയറിയിൽ എനിക്കൊരു 5,000 രൂപ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് വരും. നിഫ്റ്റി എക്സ്പയറിയിൽ ഒരു 3,000 രൂപയ്ക്ക് അടുത്ത് വരും. അല്ല, നിഫ്റ്റി എക്സ്പയറിൽ ഇപ്പൊ അടുത്തതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുമല്ലോ, ഇപ്പൊ നാളെ എടുക്കുമല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ അതിൽ നമ്മൾ അത്യാവശ്യം കവർ ചെയ്യും. സോ ഈ വരുന്ന നഷ്ടം എനിക്കൊരു ഒരാഴ്ച കൊണ്ട് കവർ ചെയ്യാം. അതാണ് ഭയങ്കര നഷ്ടമല്ല. പിന്നുള്ളത് കുറച്ചു നേരം കഴിയുമ്പോ അത് ഇതൊന്നും എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ കൊണ്ട് മതിയാവില്ല, ഷോർട്ട് പൊസിഷൻ തന്നെ എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഷോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ തന്നെ അത് വഴിയുള്ളൂ. അത് ഇതുമായിട്ട് വലിയ ബന്ധമില്ല. 25,020 ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യാം, 30 ഇല്ല, 25,020. അപ്പൊ ഒരു 70 പോയിന്റ് ഉള്ളു, 70-75 പോയിന്റ്.
25,020 അതിന്റെ അടുത്ത് 64-65 അല്ലേ?
64-65. തുടക്കത്തിൽ തന്നെ അടിച്ച് 24,960 വീഴുമെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല.
അങ്ങനെ വീഴുവോ?
ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചോദിച്ചപ്പോ ഞാനെന്ത് പറയാനാ, എനിക്കറിയാം.
ഇവിടെ 960 ഇപ്പൊ 25,000 റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് സപ്പോർട്ടായിട്ട് റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിട്ട് ആക്ട് ചെയ്യുമോ?
ചെയ്യുമല്ലോ, അതാണല്ലോ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. കുറച്ച് 25,000 to 25,050 ആ റേഞ്ച് നല്ല റെസിസ്റ്റൻസാ, കടക്കുന്നില്ല. ഇന്നലെ ഇപ്പൊ SX Nifty 25,115 ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ഇപ്പൊ 25,070 45 പോയിന്റ് താഴെ വീണു.
ശരി, അങ്ങനെ അല്ലേ.
സുജു എന്റെ ലൈവ് പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ നോക്കി, എന്റെ ഓഡിയോ ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല നോക്കി. കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടാവരുത്. സുജു എന്റെ ലൈവ് പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ നോക്കി, എന്റെ ഓഡിയോ ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
Yes, so good morning everyone. I hope I'm on time. Okay, yes, 9:29. Okay, so what's the market doing today? Oh, okay. So very good morning everyone, those who all are watching. Okay, have a very good morning, have a good day. Yes. So the initial 15 minutes, initial 15-20 minutes is our buffer time. Is the time where I don't generally enter trades. Okay, so I don't generally enter into any of the trades in this 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Because generally retailers get trapped here. Okay. Due to so many actions from the aftermarket orders and the fresh entries from the IIs, FIIs. Okay. Aftermarket orders. Yes. So, right. Okay. Now, yes, it has to be said that market is approaching this crucial line of 920, which was the support taken yesterday. Today is also Sensex expiry, so we'll also be tracking Sensex too. Okay. Oh. Canvas and the background can be white. Okay. So this is for Sensex. This is Nifty. Wait. Okay, there's some issue with Sensex chart. Anyway, I'll open it separately. Okay, chalo, no problem. Okay. So generally we'll focus on Nifty now. Okay. So yes. So yes, very good morning everyone once again. Yes. Right, again, yes, this seems Nifty is taking support at 920, and now as you can see in the last 2-3 days, okay, 2.5 days to be precise, Nifty has been trading in this tight range of around 200 points. Okay, and there is also a trend line being formed from in this way. Okay, whose color I will change now. I mean this one, yes. This one being formed. Okay, so if a rally has to be seen, then we have to see definitely yes 25,000 to be broken and this trend line to be broken, and to the bottom we may see a rally up to 24,800 is what I had marked here earlier. Okay, yes, 24,800. Yes. So I'll save this for Nifty. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame. So breaking 24,920, we can see probably a rally up to 24,800. Okay, so 24,800 is the next target which we can expect if this is broken, because as you can see the first candle, the initial 15-minute candle is solid red and that indicates bearishness. And also the PCR ratio, I looked at the PCR ratio which is the put to call ratio. Okay, oh my god, I'm sorry. Yes. Okay, which is the put to call ratio. Now that put to call ratio is at 0.6, that also indicates slight bearishness. And there is, as far as the OA in lakhs are concerned, there is, yes, this 25,000, above 25,000 there is considerable resistance too. So 25,000-ന് മുകളിൽ നല്ലോണം റെസിസ്റ്റൻസുകളുണ്ട്. 25,000-ന് താഴേക്ക് വരാനാണ് പുട്ട് ടു കോൾ റേഷ്യോയും ഒരു സാധ്യത പറയുന്നത്. പുട്ട് ടു കോൾ റേഷ്യോ 0.6 ആണ്. 24,900-ന് താഴെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, നിഫ്റ്റി 24,900-ന് താഴെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we may see a rally up to 24,800 very possibly. So അതാണ് initial outlook in what we have, okay, what we get. And yes, just a minute. Yes, I've got the 24,800 put here, taken out here, okay, 24,800, 24,800, which is at 15 minutes, okay, I'll just go to 5 minutes, which is at 70 now, 24,800 put. If taken out, if 920, 900 is taken out, then all possibilities this will go to 100. Okay, 100 can be our first target if taken out, but let's see. We are waiting for any sort of confirmation. Yes, as you can see, that trend line obeys the same in 5-minute candles also. Okay, so this trend line started from I guess, was it 16th? So we need to hold it. 19th. Yes, from 16th afternoon, right? This is from 16th, 15th. Okay, I'm sorry, 15th afternoon to all the way to today. Okay, so 2.5 days now, almost approaching 3 days now. This trend line is being followed. Okay, so in the short term, so if this is taken out, then the next target about 25,000, definitely about 25,000 can be 25,100 if the bulls break with strength. But as per the OI data, that's not the case. Bears are slightly more in control. Okay, so 25,000-ന് മുകളിൽ ഈ നമ്മൾ ഈ കാണുന്ന, okay, I'll say ഈ കളർ ഞാൻ റെഡിലേക്ക് മാറ്റാം, so that it indicates resistance. Okay, so ഈ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ലൈൻ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ കാണുന്ന അടുത്ത ടാർഗറ്റ് 25,100 ആയിരിക്കും മോസ്റ്റ്ലി. Okay, 960, approaching 960. Yes. This also is a crucial level. at 950 because that was a support, intraday support taken on 16th Friday, and also somewhere 960, 965, that range on 19th Monday. Okay. And yesterday also in this range. Okay, so this box is also crucial. That's an intraday resistance. It is going back to possibly 24,920 again. Okay, possibly to 24,920. We'll have to wait and see. Yes. Hope everyone had your breakfast. Okay. Hope everyone's health is good. Everyone is doing well, doing fine. Okay. Oh, Nifty is just going to break this level here most probably going to break this level, and we can probably see an entry at yes, we'll have to wait. Entry कर सकते हैं at around 75, 24,800, 75. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, add a horizontal. Wait. We'll have to wait. Okay, but with very good strength. So we'll just set the target to 90 first of all. Okay, so 100 can be our second target. Okay, so this is I am talking about the 24,800 put of this week's expiry. Okay. Yes. So taken out. So it is being taken out now. Yes, an entry at around 77. Yes. Entry at 77 is possible. Okay, that's a possible entry at 77. Definitely yes. $77 to $76 में एंट्री कर सकते हैं. Okay, yes. This is a very possible entry. Definitely yes. I'm entering at 75. Yes. Entered at 75. Now let's see. So with the stop loss of this, the low of this candle, okay, which can be 67. Okay, so do your own analysis before entering the trades. Okay, at 67, the low of this candle will be my SL. So definitely Nifty is looking all bearish. Okay. So entering 70, going 77, 78 now. So 90 will be our first target. We are expecting this Nifty to go to 800. Okay. So the first target, we can book the partial quantities if coming at 90. Okay. Yes. So this is our first point. Okay, this is our entry. at this level. $78, $79, $81. Yes, being taken out, hopefully. With strength, probably. This is a solid red candle being formed, which is a classic indication of, okay, again coming to 920, a retest, a doji, a retest, and a breakdown again. So classic symbols of all being broken down. So going to 80 now. Yes, 88, approaching 88. Yes. So this will be our 90 will be our first level where we can exit the partial quantity, or yes, 90 partial quantity. Yes. So approaching 90. Yes, hitting 90 almost. So our first target is going to the target, first trade. So our first trade is going to hit the target now. It hit 89, 89.5, hit 90, not yet. Just because we placed at 90, so it will not hit 90. Okay. Chalo, no problem, it is coming. Okay. Okay, this was the entry and it is going to hit 90 now. Hit 90. Yes, first target achieved, and the second target can even be beyond 100. Actually, you can trail the stop loss now. Okay, you can definitely trail the stop loss to 75, which is at 88 now. Okay, you can trail the stop loss to 77. Okay, 75 to 77, which means you will 100% not go to loss. Okay, whatever happens in the market, you will not go to loss, whatever happens. Okay, so why you are trailing the stop loss now? Because you can always go for a bigger catch. Okay, so who knows, it will not go to 130, 140. Okay, it is a possibility if Nifty goes to 800. Okay, if Nifty goes to 800, there is all possibility that it may go to 130, 140 also. So we can chase that. Okay, we can trail the stop loss, and if it is coming to 77, I am just exiting. Okay, the rest of the quantities, because it may take a support and go back again. So 77 may I will exit the rest of the quantity. Anyway, I have booked half quantity at 90 and it hit my target. Okay, which is a very comfortable trade. First of all, our first trade hit the target of 75 to 90, which is 15 points, which is around what, how much is it? Okay, 20% again, easy 20% target first of all. And it has not stopped rallying, I believe, because 900 was taken out, which is the intraday support of yesterday. Twice it was tested. This was taken out with strength. So I don't think it is now completely going to take support and climb back up. I don't think so. But we will have to wait and see. So I am trailing my stop loss. My stop loss is currently at 77. ഇപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് 77 സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഞാൻ ഇനി ഇത് കയറുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് മുകളിലേക്ക് കയറ്റും. So when I see the rally continuing, I will just increase my stop loss. Hold on a minute. Call from my father. Okay. Hello. Okay, so yes, a call from my father. He's buying breakfast for me. Okay. Yes, so we don't need this now. Okay. So 24,800 all set to go to 100, 105. 105, 110. Yes, 105 select. Okay. So I booked half quantity at 90. Now 25% I will also book at 105. 25% I will book at 105, and the rest 25% I will just keep trailing the stop loss. When it hit my stop loss, that's my trade. Okay. So 25% 105 is the next one. Next target I'm gonna indent. Okay. It has broken the 900 level. Remember, my SL is currently at 77 to 78. Okay, my trailing stop loss is at 77 to 78, which I am not going to change. Okay, so if it hits 77 to 78, I'm gonna leave it. That also is a slight profit. So this is approaching, yes, now 94. We are going to, this is our next target. Okay, so this will be our next target. So this is your target 2 at around 110. This was our target 1, which was already achieved. Okay, this was our target 1. Target 1 was already hit. Target 2 is at 105.9, or I mean 105. My stop loss is at, I will mark the stop loss in the green. Okay, has somebody taken the trade? Can you please comment below? Anybody from, Jacob or Abel, someone? Neju. Okay, so NIFTY is slightly pulling back, but it is to be seen. It is yet to be seen. And don't trail the stop loss to 80 or 85. Okay, don't trail to 80, above 80, because this may be a small pullback and testing again. Okay, so you may miss out on the big gaps. So at 77, still you are at a premium. You are at a profit only. Okay, 77 is still you are at a profit. So you need not change the stop loss as of now. Let's see how the market reacts. ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണ്ട, 80, 82 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 83 വെക്കണ്ട. കാരണം നിഫ്റ്റി താഴോട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് ചെറിയൊരു റീടെസ്റ്റ് എടുത്തിട്ടായിരിക്കും വീണ്ടും താഴെ. ആ റീടെസ്റ്റ് അടക്കം നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വീണ്ടും ഒരു വലിയ പ്രോഫിറ്റിലേക്ക് ചിലപ്പോൾ പോയേക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ കാര്യമായിട്ട് ഒന്നും ചെയ്യണ്ട. നിഫ്റ്റി അഗെയിൻ പോവുകയാണ്. So Nifty seems like going down again. So our next target remains, for Nifty our target remains 24,800. Okay, and for this our 25% target remains at 105. Okay, expect 105. So target 1, this is already achieved. Okay, so this target is achieved. It's in the green. And this is target 2. Target 2 is yet to be achieved. Yes, it is approaching 103. Yes, 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 all looking good. So I am exiting. Yes, 105. 105. Yes, 105 hit. Yes. I mean, it was 102. Oh my God. I had to exit at 103. I don't know what happened. I placed a limit order. I think it got executed at the market. I don't know what happened. Okay, 105 hit. Yes. So our next stop loss will be 90. Okay, so 25%. I am taking my stop loss to 90 now. Okay, so target 1 will be equal to our stop loss now. Okay, so target 1 will be equal to our stop loss, and I'm just trailing the stop loss. So I'm going to ride it how much ever it goes now. Okay, if it goes to 150, fine. If it goes to 200, fine. Okay, So this is our first trade for today, and beautifully hitting the target, both the targets. First target was 90, second was 105. Okay, so it was 105. It was beautifully taken out. Nifty is coming down. So our put option gave a rally from 75 to currently at 106. 90 was our primary target, which was 20%, and 105 was the next target, which is actually 40%, I guess. But anyway, we hit both the targets. Now we are target 1 equal to SL now. Okay, we have changed the target 1 as the SL. And where can be our next target when it hits 24,800? I think 24,800 will take us up to 130 levels. Okay, so 24,800 will take us up to target 3. If Nifty hits 24,800. Okay, so this is my expectation. Okay, I'm going to take it up to 125. It's better. Okay, that would be a realistic target. Okay, so now my stop loss currently will be 90. Okay, I'm very clear with that. If it hits 90, I'm gonna exit rest of my quantities. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep my trade intact for a very long while. So I've hit the target from 75 to 90. That was the first trade. First trade we hit the target from 75 to 90, the first target. Then 105 the second target. Now it is taking a small resistance there. We'll have to wait and see how long Nifty can hold this. But I don't think Nifty is going to hold too much, because there is not much of a support anywhere here except at 24,800. There is good support. Except that, no other considerable support. So I'm gonna track it to 24,800 probably. And in the meanwhile, there may be small hiccups, okay, small tracebacks. So that's why I've kept my stop loss at 90. Okay, it is approaching 90. So if it hits 90, no problem. I'm gonna exit 90. It is at 94, 95 now. Oh, is it going to hit my SL? Or will Nifty give me a beautiful rally? Okay, I'm ready to exit. Hits 90 and I'm gonna exit. But not yet. So ഈ ഓപ്ഷന്റെ വാല്യൂ ഇനി 90 ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ്. കാരണം ഞാൻ 75 ഉണ്ടായതാണ്. സോ എനിവേ ഐ മീൻ ഗുഡ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, കൺസിഡറബിൾ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഗുഡ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. സോ അത് 20% പ്രോഫിറ്റിലാണ്. സോ അവിടെയാണ് എൻ്റെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ്. സോ അതിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഞാൻ ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഐ എം നോട്ട് ഗോണ ഹോൾഡ് ബിയോണ്ട് ദാറ്റ്. And I'm also going to check Nifty here. Nifty has formed a solid green candle, but this has not engulfed the previous one. But engulfing candle ആയിട്ടില്ല. Okay, so if it hits 900, okay, 900 and above, then probably. This has not hit 90 yet. So you can see the low here. The low here is 91.6. So there is still a possibility that it can pull down all the way to 24,800, which is a possibility. So I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting, and I guess that is going to happen. So I'm just waiting on that. So those who are in the stream, please like the channel. Okay, please like the stream. Consider subscribing our stream, because we are we are trading openly, genuinely. Okay, So we are offering, not offering, but we are trading with a genuine content, okay, openly, whatever happens. And I guess our stream deserves at least a like. थोड़ा तो like करो ना, okay. So I hope some of you have joined me in this trade, okay, trade for our first trade of the day, which already hit the target, and come what may, we are in target, we are in profits, okay, for our first trade. So I guess that's the case. I'm not going to change my stop loss from 90 to anywhere up or anywhere down now. Okay, so if it is going above 108 or 110 again, if the value of this option is going above 110 again, then I can take it to probably 95 to 100 levels. Okay, so I'm expecting this to go up again. I still hold 25% of my of my loads, of my quantity, deployed capital. Okay. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry that I couldn't see the chats. Okay, so Neju says he entered 2 lots at 75. Good one, Neju. Entered at 74, past race, still holding 1 lot, good, going good. Okay, thank you. Okay, good trade. Book 38% today, Neju. Good. Happy for both of you. My trading partners, okay, part of my Finance with AB team also. Happy for both of you. I know that Abel has suffered one loss yesterday in the other trade, which I know that. Okay, so I hope a part of that is made up. Happy for both of you. Happy for both of you, Neju and Abel. Yes. Okay, is my audio? The reason why I didn't use my microphone is that had some noise cancellation issues, but I think now my audio is not clear enough. Is there an echo issue? Can someone comment, is there an echo issue? Yeah, Niju says there is no issue of an echo, but I received 2 messages from our streamers that they have an echo issue. Is it fine now? Is the audio fine now? Is the audio fine? Just please comment. എന്താണ് നിഫ്റ്റി 95 നിഫ്റ്റി 95 and yes, good morning Jacob, I'm just seeing your messages now. So have we taken any trades? How about Jacob? Okay, gonna hit my stop loss. Nifty didn't give that rally. Okay. Doesn't seem like giving that rally. Okay, I'm ready to exit at 90, whatever happens. Okay, if that's the case. But Nifty at 890. This may be another tricky period from Nifty. I don't know what Nifty is about to do. Kya kar raha hai yaar? നമ്മൾ 125 ടാർഗറ്റ് വെച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണോ നിഫ്റ്റി ഹിറ്റ് ആവാത്തത്? ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കുമല്ലോ പലപ്പോഴും. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. Still holding on to 25% quantity, ready to exit at 90. Good. Okay. Ready to exit at 90, 94 now. Okay. But again, let me tell you this: if we can break the closing of these candles 870, if Nifty goes beyond 870, then in all probabilities 800. Okay, so Nifty going to 94 again. I mean Nifty going up above this one, 24,900. Is that the case? I'm going to exit at, yes, going to hit 90. So I'll be exiting my last quantity at a 20% premium, which is my updated stop loss. Okay, last quantity at possibly at 90, entered at 75, booked the first lot at 90, second quantity at 105. Then the remaining 25% having to book the stop loss at around 90, and I'm going to do that. Yes, I have exited all of my lots. It's at 90.3. Happy with that. Okay, so happy with my entry, and currently at did hit 88 also. So good catch. Okay, so a good way to start the day, hitting what would be the average? Okay, so 25%, 50%. I just calculate the average. Okay, so 50%, 50% into, we booked at 90, right? So that's 20% plus 0.25 into how much is 105 is 40. So that is 40 is more than 50%. Yeah, more than 50 into 50 into 50. Plus 0.25 into 20 again. Okay, so that is 27.5% profit. Okay, and now Nifty at 9. Okay, chalo. My next entry could be if Nifty breaks beyond 870. But in the meanwhile, I haven't had my breakfast. Okay, so I'll just go have my breakfast and come. And so this is our prediction. If Nifty goes, okay, if Nifty goes and, let me be clear, closes 5-minute candle below 24,870, then go 24,800. So this is what we expect. Okay, so this is what we are expecting. Okay, so it will be from, okay, it will be from here to here. Okay, so this is what we are expecting, and in that case our option is gonna go from, okay, this is not gonna go, okay, yes, definitely it's gonna go from 100. I don't want 100. Okay, it's gonna go from above this one, 103 to again this one. It's gonna go from here to here. In that case, if that is the case, so trade with your own instincts, your own conviction. Okay, so we'll take just a quick break now. Okay. Videos. Okay. ആജാ അയ്യോ നമ്പർ അറിയില്ലല്ലോ. Now, yes. What time is now? 10. Yeah, I'll be back by 10:40. Okay, so we'll just take a quick break. Okay, and yes. Yes, okay, so we'll just take a quick break. Okay, and I'm sorry for that. Okay, so hope you're having a good day, everyone. So Srijit says hi. So hi Srijit, hi. Okay, so hi Srijit. Hope you're doing good. Hope everything is fine. Hope your health is fine. Okay, എല്ലാം നന്നായിട്ടിരിക്കട്ടെ. And കഴിച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു 10:40 10:45 I'll be back by 10:40 10:45. Okay, so uh, take your trade sensibly. Just try to have an idea of the levels we have already mentioned. Just keep it simple. Okay, we have already very good we have already done a very good trade now. Okay, we have already taken up a very good trade, which is hit a 27% target also. Okay, so stay online. Okay, keep streaming. I'll be back in another 20 minutes. Thank you. So hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, just had my breakfast. Breakfast കഴിക്കാൻ പോയതാണ്. Okay, hope nothing serious happened in between. Okay, so what is Nifty doing now? Okay, Nifty is breaking that 24,920 levels. Okay, so this is a candle with strength. Okay, I mean there is, oh my god, just am I just 3 minutes late, 2 minutes late? Okay, so this is 25,100 call, but I'm not taking an entry now. Okay, just because I just came here and took my seat. I just need some time to see what's happening actually. So this is the 15-minute frame. If I draw a Fibonacci from matching the black. Okay, so this is now sort of invalidated. Okay, so Nifty going beyond 24,870 is not a possibility now. Very less chance. So all these things are now gone. Okay, so if at all it comes again, then we will see. Okay, not now. 24,870 will be a level definitely. And for the Fibonacci, we have these levels: 0.618 at 920 and 0.61 to 0.5. Okay, so this level is again tested. Okay, somebody saying hi, but I can't see the name. Okay, anyway, hi. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing well. Okay. Okay, somebody saying hi, but I can't see the name. Hi. Okay, 950. So Nifty is going up. Nifty seems to be going up again. So we'll quickly add the Nifty options here. Okay, so 25,000. What's the issue here? Now back to where we were at the 5 minute. What's happening in the 5 minute? Yes, so Nifty has seems to be regaining strength. It is yet to be seen. Okay, we have closed comfortably above the 24,920 level. Okay, about 920, and we closed at around, what's the closing here, 930, which is a solid green candle. Let's see how it is backed up. If this candle is showing strength, then possibly we can expect that this sort of small downward path here, then here, here. So this sort of downtrend is then over. Okay, can be considered over if this candle also shows strength, means this 5 minute candle. Well, but okay, we are almost at only 20 seconds, so not enough strength. So this might also have been a false breakout. It's not even a breakout, but a false signal. Okay. For Nifty to show strength, this resistance zone, this one definitely has to be taken out. Okay, this resistance intraday has to be taken out. Then probably we can expect, yes, it is showing all possible signs of regaining strength, Nifty. So we might consider an entry also here, but not yet. Let's just, for the time being, just be patient. Let's just analyze how things are turning out. Okay, in that case we can go for a possible scalping opportunity also. So I'm with my 25,100 call here. 25,000. Okay, 25,100. Where is 25,100? Yes. So here is 25,100, and we'll see what are the possible entries. By the way, I've been trading in Sensex too. I had to change my position. I haven't done that yet. So 1,000. Yes. I'll just go to because today Sensex expire also, na? Exit loss. Sell. Let's say at 11:35. Okay, chalo. Now, okay, so Nifty seems to be showing strength. Now we can possibly enter, not yet, we'll have to wait. In that case, we can consider an entry of 25,100 call. Okay, so considering this as the SL, keeping this as the SL because that is the low of the previous candle, and we can expect a rally up to maybe 100, but we are unsure about the entry level. This was not broken. We need a close comfortably above this one. We need a good close for this candle. If we get a good close, then we will see. Okay, just a minute. Yes. Mumbai, oh मेरी प्यारी Mumbai. Is my chat disconnected? Are you unable to chat? Yes. Sathi's world. Sathi is my dear Sathukutti saying hi Aravi. Hi Sathukutti. സ്കൂളിലല്ലേ, വെക്കേഷൻ ആണല്ലേ? യെസ്, സ്കൂൾ തുടങ്ങാനായാലും ഒരു 10-12 ദിവസം അല്ലേ? 10-12 ദിവസത്തിൽ സ്കൂൾ തുടങ്ങുമല്ലോ. സാത്തുക്കുട്ടി ഈസ് ഫ്രം ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം. മൈ ഡിയർ വിഷ്ണുപ്പൻ്റെ അല്ലേ, വിഷ്ണുപ്പൻ്റെ കുഞ്ഞാണ്, കൊച്ചുകുട്ടിയാണ്. Yes, in the meanwhile, wishing Abel Suraj, my dear Abel, a very happy birthday. Happy birthday Suju. Hope everything goes well. എല്ലാ ട്രേഡും 100% ലാഭത്തിൽ, വിച്ച് ഇസ് നോട്ട് പോസിബിൾ. അങ്ങനെ ആവട്ടെ, ആവട്ടെ, പെട്ടെന്ന് ലക്ഷപ്രഭു ആവട്ടെ അല്ലേ? എന്നിട്ട് വേണം എന്തെല്ലാം കാര്യങ്ങൾ. എനിവേ, വിഷിംഗ് Abel a very happy birthday. Hope his birthday goes well. നല്ല ട്രേഡുകൾ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റട്ടെ. Yes, we have been planning something. Still no entry in Nifty. Yes. We are coming up with a new stock market basics of stock market course. Okay, so the details of that is given in the post section of our in the channel posts. Okay, so kindly do check it out. It is a course offered for all the beginners coming into the stock market, those who don't know anything about the stock market, or those who have only the basic idea. Okay, so for them we are offering this course at a very meager price. Okay, to record. Okay, oh, you can only add images of this size. Okay, see, why is it that you cannot add a good comfortable image of this one? Stock market beginners guide. Yes, okay, how about in the chats? Let me see if I can post something in the chat. So what is Nifty? Okay, Nifty coming down to 930 levels. Let me see if I can post something in the chat. So what is Nifty? Okay, Nifty. Okay, 930 levels. Yes. So I have added a poll in the comment section. Okay, there is a poll running in the comment section, so everyone is requested to comment on the poll. It's about your long-term portfolio. So okay, so how is your portfolio doing? How is your long-term portfolio doing? Is it currently in the green or in the red, or is it trading flat? Yeah, okay, is it running flat for plus or minus 2%? You know, for plus or minus 2%, that is called the flat region. Okay, so somebody has already commented in the red. Okay, hopefully it turns green today. It's not about today's. I'm asking about the long-term portfolio. By the way, my today's portfolio is 0.9% down. Yes, and Nifty. So this is a strong retest to 920 levels, and breaking this 950 level again. If this breaks the 950 level again, then the bulls are in strength. Okay, so it is currently this resistance region which we had marked earlier. Okay, that is proving to be the resistance zone again. We'll wait and see. So between this 950 and 870, this 80 points level, and not taking up any trades currently. Okay, so that is from my side. The rest, if your conviction is so good, definitely it's up to you. Now, yes, people have started to vote. Okay, so kindly cast your votes. Okay, so majority is in the red now. Okay, nobody says flat, and for me it is yes. For me it is flat. Okay, somebody has also commented flat. Check that. Yes. Okay, 0.78. What am I at? 0.89, 0.85. Yes. 0.85, 0.9. So for all the listeners here, okay, for everyone who has tuned in here, we are conducting a stock market beginners course this weekend on 24th and 25th of May, Saturday and Sunday. There will be 4 sessions plus an additional session on Monday. Okay, 4 sessions on Saturday morning and evening, Sunday morning and evening. So Saturday morning 8 to 9 a.m. Indian Standard Time. I'm sorry, 7 to 8 a.m. Indian Standard Time, and 9 to 10 p.m. 8 to 9 and 9 to 10 p.m. Okay, and the same thing on Sunday also. Okay, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday. So it is 7 to 8 a.m. IST and 9 to 10 p.m. IST. Okay, so this is regarding the stock market basics course. Okay, basics of stock market. On, okay, so Saturday 24th May and Sunday the 25th. Okay, 25th and Saturday the 24th. Okay, 7 to 8 a.m. and 9 to 10 p.m. So do tune in if you want to learn more about the more about basics, about the fundamentals of stock market, about all the terminologies, uh, being literate enough to read a newspaper article and understand the concepts, everything. Okay, we will be covering about everything about stocks, long-term investments, mutual funds, SIPs. Okay, in those 4 sessions, and an additional session on Monday, where we will be showing you live, giving you the hands-on training on Zerodha, Grow and Upstocks platforms. Okay, all these platforms. Okay, so this is about that course. Coming back to Nifty, we are, and the ESI will also paste the Google form link in the comment section. Okay. Yeah. We'll also paste the link for Google form to register. Okay, it's only 1,000 rupees per head. Okay, so which is at an unbeatable price, I have to say. Okay, this is you cannot get it, this course for a lesser price anywhere else in the world. Okay, so വളരെ നല്ല കണ്ടന്റ് ഉള്ള നല്ല ഒരു കോഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. ആൻഡ് ഇൻ ദിസ് പ്രൈസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ബാച്ച് ഓഫർ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് കോഴ്സ് വാല്യൂ ഇസ് ആക്ച്വലി വർത്ത് 5,000, ബട്ട് വി ആർ ഓഫറിംഗ് ഇറ്റ് ഫോർ 1,000. നൗ Nifty going about 24,950. Then this is the zone. Okay, so let us see how Nifty goes from 970 990. Okay, then I will consider the day's high to be the limit. It's better to consider day's high to be the resistance, just to be safe, because we have already made a profit today, so we don't want to be taking too much of a risk. We are at a comfortable place. Okay. We are at a comfortable position. റിസ്ക് എടുക്കേണ്ട വലിയൊരു ആവശ്യം നമുക്കില്ലല്ലോ. സോ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് നല്ല ട്രേഡുകൾ ചെയ്യാം. സോ 25,000 ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ then we can consider. Okay, if it breaks, Nifty currently seems to be showing strength. Okay, Nifty കുഴപ്പമില്ലാതെ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം എങ്ങനെ പോകും. ഓക്കെ, റെയിൻകോട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഹെൽമെറ്റ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് കവർ എന്തെങ്കിലും വേണോ? ഇതില് പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് കവർ ഉണ്ട്. പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് കവർ ഇട്ട് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന കവറാണ്. ഇത് പല കവറുകളുണ്ട്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജയലക്ഷ്മി അത് തന്നെ ഉച്ചക്ക് ഐ തിങ്ക് സൈജ് ചോറ് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ട്രേഡ് 25% പ്രോഫിറ്റ് നല്ല സ്റ്റാർട്ടായി. ആരൊക്കെയോ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ചില ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തിരുന്നു, 2-3 ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തു. അത് ബെറ്ററാണ്. ലൈവ് കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. Okay.
കണ്ടില്ലല്ലോ. ഇല്ല, കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ടില്ല. പിന്നെ
Okay, how about the audio now? Okay, I think ഇപ്പോൾ ക്ലിയർ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു അല്ലേ? I think yes, should be. Yes. Thank you. So thank you Chinmay, thank you Rahima. Yes. Right. Now So we will see if Nifty can break the 950 level and close above that, and probably the 25,000 range. I'm just to be sure. So those who are looking for a scalping opportunity, okay, maybe below 920 again, once again below 920, below that 920 level, you can consider an entry with, okay, consider an entry to 880 levels. Those who are those who want to scalp, okay, go for a scalping opportunity. Yes, okay, so this will probably be our levels to 880. You can consider an entry here. Maybe that the same option we got 24,800, okay, 24,800 from currently at 87, 88, okay. So I'll just take it here. Those who want to scalp with a strict stop loss, okay. So let me tell you, I'm not taking this trade, okay. I'm not taking this trade currently, but you can consider it at, what is it at now, 93, okay. So you can consider an entry at 90 to 110 or 105, okay. So this is gone. Yes, now it is going our second trade also. Again, personally, let me tell you, I'm not into this trade now, but this is what we expect. Okay, so 105 definitely, 105. So 90 to 92 region, 92 to 105 with a stop loss of, let us say, stop loss of 86. Okay, keep it at 86. That's better. 86 means stop loss now. Okay, considering this as the stop loss, this at the entry. Okay, entry at 90, 80, 90, 91 to 105 is a possibility, is a real possibility. Stop loss beyond this one, so stop loss will be 86, I will say 85 to 86 stop loss. Okay, entry at 90, 105 target. Let us see how it goes. Yes, currently at 95. Okay, this blue arrow is the next level, next range we were talking about, but this could be the target, 105. If you want to trade, it's up to you. Again, strict stop loss 85, 86. Okay, this is coming down to 88. Okay, this was a scalping opportunity. Again, I was not into this trade, I already told earlier. Okay, 85, 86 will be the stop loss. So let's say from 91 to 86, chalo 5 points, no issues. 85, 86, it is at 86.3 now, it is at 86, 85 to 86 range. What is it at now? Yes, so SL, so just leave it. Okay, if you are looking for a scalping, just leave it, better. If at all you had entered. Okay, I was not into this trade, I was clear earlier. This was the entry level, but looking very good now. Okay, anyway, we had done the our SL was hit at 85. Okay, so 91 to 85, matter of 5-6 points, it is never an issue. If people are who are still hanging on, then all the best you can hang on to probably 870 levels. Okay, if at all you were in. Nifty looking really bearish. I mean, not too bearish, but never positive. Nifty not at all looking positive. Okay, bears are at the every hike, every high is being sold out by the bears. Okay, for the last 2.5 trade, now almost 3 trading sessions, 3 days. Okay, 3 days of trading. This has been the case. So maintain your stop loss, trade sensibly, okay, with your own conviction. So this is going all the way from 90 to 90 and below. Okay, looking bearish. It just hit our stop loss and it is trading now. Okay, chalo anyway. Since I had already previously itself told that is a small scalping opportunity, and I am not into that trade. Okay, I am trading only about 25,000 or below 870, 24, 870 in that range. Okay, Nifty at 900. So there is very less premium, very less movement in the options premium. Okay, the put side is not moving much, possibly because of lack of wicks also. The OI buildup also is not helping, I guess. So no trades preferably here. Not giving much of a movement, much of a momentum here. No. So a possible entry, a scalping opportunity was at 90, we had said. Okay, at around 90, this was the point. Okay, now at 93, and the stop loss of 86 was 85 to 86 range was touched once, and that was it. But still going down. So in the zoomed out visual, okay, in the bigger picture, this is the Fibonacci level at 0.618 to 0.5 to 0.618 level, which is the 870 range, exactly there, or the 890 to 875 range, and from 890 to 800, okay, that is the 0.618 to 0.5 levels. After this steep rally on last Thursday, which was our first live stream. Okay, so this happened on Thursday, and we are possibly coming back to that Fibonacci golden zone. So as far as the Fibonacci analysis is concerned, okay, so as far as that is concerned, that can be considered as the stop of that pullback. Okay, so if you are in an uptrend, that uptrend obviously needs some sort of a reversal. That reversal could be up to the Fibonacci level, and many people consider that as the buying opportunity, 24,800 to 850 levels in this case. Okay, so that level can be considered as a buying opportunity for those who are trading in Fibonacci. That is only as per the Fibonacci, let me tell you this. Okay, only as per the Fibonacci. There is no OI consideration there. There is no support and resistance consideration there. Only about the Fibonacci. Now, so definitely that can act as a support, 24,800 to 850 levels. Very possible. And this is still playing out there at 91, 92. So there is, I'm just not interested anymore, even for looking at the charts. Now, because there is no clear trend, even Nifty is also confused. So let us consider this today's levels alone. Okay, let this one go. Let all the drawings. Okay, all the drawings. Delete two indicators. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't want to delete the indicators. Okay, so delete the drawings. Okay, just want to delete all these things. That let it be there. Okay, now for the today's intraday levels in the Fibonacci. Okay, So from here to here we had a drop down. Okay, yes, it was from here to here. Okay, so it started from, so I'll give you a clearer picture now for today's alone trend. Okay, so yes, so this is what our analysis says. From 25,000, started at 25,000, exactly at 25,000, came all the way down to 870, 24,870 or 865 range. Then to the deep pullback region of 0.382. Okay, this is the deep pullback region, and after that it is coming back again. So if this manages to break the 24,870 range again, then the next Fibonacci level, it is going to be the 780 levels, 24,780. If this a candle manages to close below the 24,870 level, I see a rally of another possibly 90 points rally. That's what I expect. And people in the stream, kindly follow and kindly like the stream. Okay, video to like karona, and you can consider subscribing to our channel also. Our first venture is stock market beginners guide for all the beginners to the stock market this weekend on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, oh, there is a small power issue here on Saturday and Sunday. So on these days we'll be giving 4 sessions of basics of stock market. Okay, can you just hold on a minute? 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 capture device. Yes, I think this should be fine now. This should be fine. Just please comment. Those who are in the stream, please comment here. Yes, it is coming down to the 870 levels. Good. Okay, coming down to the 870 levels. So I am considering an entry of the 24,800 put at around 100 to 104 range. If that's the case, I have to be sure again. Okay. If at all this is taken out, then what's the next one? Arrow marker. Okay, so if this is taken out, then as we said, it is to 24,775 if taken out. We are waiting for this one, and in that case this too is going from somewhere here to 125 to 130 range. It is 24,800, so definitely there will be a 20 point if the 20 point rally in the option if that is broken. Yes. Okay. No. Okay. Thank you Chinmay. Thank you Rahima again. Yes, Nino wants Sensex. Okay, yes, so I'll definitely go for Sensex. There is some issue with my trading view account, so because it is expiry today. Okay, I've just taken a bull put spread last day, so I'm not trading aggressively in Sensex. So that is the reason why I didn't opt for Sensex trading today, because it's the expiry. 81,800 now. Okay, yes, so Sensex is breaking the day's low, and definitely we can expect another continuation. Okay, so this to this. So I'm expecting if this is taken out, I'm expecting the rally up to 81,500 to 530 levels. Okay, 500 to 530 levels if this is broken, but again it is taking support there. Okay, it is taking a support, so we'll have to wait and see how that transpires. It is taking support exactly at the day's low in the 5-minute candle. Okay, Nino, I think that is clear with you for about the view of Sensex, my view about Sensex. Okay, this is the screen as you can see, and Sensex is taking a support at 790 to 800 range. If that is taken out, then another 200 points rally possibly in Sensex. Yeah, thank you, Nino. This may be a consolidation phase in this 100-point range also, from 860 to 960 range. Okay, this may be a consolidation phase also. That is also a possibility. If this doesn't break down again. Anyway, as far as we have seen for the last 3 days, now almost 3 complete trading sessions, 25,000 to 25,100 levels is proving to be a resistance, definite resistance. And there are, I think, multiple hurdles about 25,000 also from the OI data, from the open interest data. There are considerable hurdles because there are huge call buildups in 25,000 range, above 25,000. Okay, now this seems to be coming down. How about Sensex? Yes, Sensex is ready to break the 81,800 levels. Okay, so Sensex, if this is broken, we can expect another 200 points rally in Sensex. Nifty has not come down to that levels, but if Sensex rallies, okay, Sensex rallies beyond that region, then Nifty has also all the possibilities to take out this resistance and go down to 24,800 levels. Okay, so possibly to 800 levels. In that case, our value of this option can go to 125 range. Okay, can possibly start from here also. Okay, so you can consider an entry probably above this one. Okay, so yes, I'm taking entry now. I mean above this one, above 95. Above 95 if everything supports. This should be, I think this is gonna break. Okay, because this is all looking bearish and Sensex is also at the day's low. We'll just have to wait for the confirmation. Even after the confirmation, we'll get sufficient rally, means sufficient space for a rally. Okay, so do not be concerned if you will miss out on an opportunity. Waiting for it. Waiting. Vijay cinema interval panjole. I am waiting. Let's see. Vijay പറയുമ്പോൾ പഞ്ച്, നമ്മൾ പറയുമ്പോൾ അല്ലേ. Okay, entered at 90. Okay, Nejwantu says entered at 90. Okay, sure. We'll have a stop loss of above this candle, above 24,900. We'll have a stop loss of about 24,900. If this is broken, I think we are in for a good rally. I'm not saying a steep, huge rally. I think we are in for a good rally. Which can give you possibly 20% plus. All the possibilities of another 20% if that is broken. I think it is going down. I think Sensex is taking it down. Okay, I am planning my entry. I'm also planning my entry, but I am planning in Nifty. Okay, I'm just taking Sensex as the base, and let's say Sensex goes beyond this one. Yes, I am entering. Yes, I am entering at 94. Okay, I am entering at 94. Yes, I have taken an entry at 94. Yes. Okay, with my stop loss being above this candle, which can be 86 levels again. Okay, so above this candle. So I will keep this as the SL. This will be my SL. Nifty is about to break that previous swing slow or the day slow. And I think, yes, I think it is going. So our first target will remain. You can, of course, you can book maybe partial quantity at 115 if you require. Okay, anyway, because we are in profits today, I'll just trail my stop loss and I will go for a big catch, because I can afford to miss out on a huge profit, because I have made some profit today. Okay, so I am aiming big now. So from 94 to, okay, premium then over there. Okay, don't worry, it will come, it will come. Okay, it is just a matter of Nifty breaking the levels, and definitely if it is broken, the rest will follow. Okay, whatever it is there, it will follow. So you can see Nifty here at 870 levels. Yes, option value at 95. Sensex has broken the day's low, and it is forcing Nifty also to follow the same. Should be the same, should be a very similar case with Nifty. And also I am telling because of the Fibonacci test. Okay, there is a steep fall and it has come down to the deep, very deep pullback region and going back to the day's low again, which means another rally can have strength. Definitely it can have strength. Okay, so this is showing meager signs of strength, not considerable, but I have an entry at what, 90, 94. This is my entry, 94.3. Okay, so this is my entry. Okay, so I'll add my text here. This is my entry. Entry, and our first target can be set at 115. So this will be our T1. And the next can be at 125, but we will trail the stop loss then. Okay, so 94 to 115 is what we expect. So Nifty is about to, trying to break. Okay, let me say trying to break. and possibly is breaking now at 98. See how many red candles has Sensex formed consecutively. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a green. 1, 2, third one now in a row. Okay, if at all it stays this one. And my SL will be this one. Okay, so I am very clear with my SL. Okay, 86 that range, because that would then be the high of the previous candle. So I don't want to risk beyond that. Okay, so 94 to 86. So 24,900 range will be our SL. Okay, at 24,900. Let me make it clear with Nifty. Okay, at 24,900 levels. Okay, if it is 86 or 85 range to be, because the value of option can fluctuate. So I'll just lower it to the 85 range. Okay, so this is our second trade for today, second entry. Okay, 870, 73. Nifty can take a small break also, then pull back again, so that will give even more strength rather than going down, down, down and down. So okay. Yeah, Ronaldo Roy is saying happy birthday Dr. Abel. Dr. Abel is considered one of our stock market legends. How about 95 to 94 to 115, 24,800? Strength കാണിച്ച ഒരു candle വരണം. I mean this one, ഓപ്ഷനിൽ premium spike വരുന്ന ഒരു candle വരണം. Okay, so this is what we are expecting from around 95, 94 to 125. So this will be our target one, and I can take the same to here to set our target 2. So target 1 and target 2, we are very clear with that. അക്ഷരപ്പൂവിൻ മഴവില്ലിന്റെ $875 levels now. What's happening across there? Yes. Okay, hitting the 90 levels. This is for Sensex. This one for Nifty. Nifty has another 20 points buffer as far as we are concerned. So another 5 points buffer in the option. Yeah, right. 89 and this at 24,880. Pullback हो रहा है निफ्टी में. Nifty is taking small pullbacks. We have to wait and see if this is being treated as a strong support or is it only a pullback. If it is only a small pullback, then as I said, the rally can be good enough. Let us wait. Yes, Nifty is falling. Nifty coming down to the 24,860 levels and breaking now. Nifty is breaking now. Our option should be starting to rally now. Okay, Nifty's next target is at almost 100 points below, almost 100. So option is at 96, 97, 24,800 P at 96, 97 now. Okay, we had taken an entry at around 93, 94. Now rallying to 102. Good. Okay, 102. Nifty has broken the day's low and with strength, seeming to be with strength, with momentum, but not enough momentum in 24,800 put. We'll see. It should gain momentum now. Okay, I'm just receiving a call from my guide. Kindly hold on. Yes, I'm back. And I think in the meanwhile, I was receiving a call from my guide, my PhD guide. Okay, Dr. MC Santosh Kumar sir. Uh, I think in the meanwhile, nothing has significantly happened in Nifty, but Nifty is breaking the day's low, but there is no significant momentum in the options value. So we'll have to again, yes, we'll have to reduce our target from 115 to 110 because there is no considerable rally, means considerable spike in the premium. It shouldn't have been this way. This should have spiked, but there is no. See the Nifty's with strength is approaching the day's low and breaking the day's low, doing everything it can, but our option premium. But again, this is a 10% profit, so I think this target also should be not be considered now. And I am seriously considering if I should exit partial quantity at 100. I think yes. Now I am exiting half of my quantity at 9900. Okay. Exiting half of my quantity there. Oh my god. By the time I said that, okay, anyway, no strength, so I'm exiting half of my quantity here itself, okay, at 95. There is no considerable movement in this one. Okay, so at 95.96 I am exiting. Yes, half quantity exited. Yes, and the rest half I can still afford to do whatever I want. Chalo, no problem. And my stop loss will now be again 86, 87. So I am improving my stop loss. Half quantity to 87. I booked partial quantity at I have booked at 95. Okay, now the other part. So it is approaching 87 and I will have to exit there possibly. Yes, mostly yes. अरे क्या यार, Nifty gave a spike to solid, means broke the day's low, came beyond this one, and again the option premium didn't spike as we expected. Still fine, chalo, there is no regrets, no problem. Okay, so that's it, our exit is done. Okay, so now if at all we get another cash, then we will see. Okay, did it come just to hit our stop loss? In all possibilities. So Nifty is taking its way back up now. Okay. Seems to be taking support there and going back up. ചന്ദന but Sensex is still below that previous things, that opening days low, opening swings low, which is the 950 candle. This is 871 and so I just wanted to check if I can pledge a particular security. I'll just be back. Approval list of securities for pledging, yes. HDFC Defense Fund growth option, yes. Is Nifty pulling back up again? So Chennai Petro is 4.7% of it. Cochin Shipyard is 6% down today. Cochin Shipyard is 6% down. Masdok is 1.2 down. Tata Motors again seems to be finding its grip. Okay, coming back to good levels. Nifty again swinging back. So if at all you had any short positions, any put option long, if you are long on any put option, it's better you get rid of the position. That's probably the best thing to do. Okay, do not play with this market. So Nifty did break this level, Sensex also did break this level, but didn't go up to the expected levels of 81,500 or the 24,800 levels. Didn't go there, so we'll just recheck our view and just be cautious with our positions. Now chalo, already 12:10. Okay, so enough of the trades today, guys. Enough of we got some 2 good catches. I mean, 1 good catch, another 50-50 here. I think this trade was flat. We entered at around 93, 94. We went up to 97, 98, and we went actually up to 105. Because there is no spike in premium, we had to exit some at 97, 98, that range, and the rest was booked at around 87, I guess. 87, yes. Okay, so this was sort of a flat trade, no profit, no loss, and the first one was good, right? The first trade, actually we made profits, which was around 27.5 actually percentage we calculate, or let's say 25%. Okay, so 25% we got it in the first trade, and this is a back and forth kind of a market. It is not giving us much of a clue. Anything about 25,000 up for it. Okay, about 25,000 up, and below I don't know. Even when Nifty broke the day's low, there was no spike in premium, so I'm not going to take any positions if Nifty breaks below the day's position, day's low again. Not currently. Okay, about 24,950 to 25,000, we can give it a try. Else we are, for the time being, we are stopping. Okay, thanks everyone. Thank you everyone for joining the live stream. Okay, don't forget to, yes, how many are voted? There are 12 votes. So how's your long-term portfolio was the question, and 58% says in the red, 17% in the green, and 25% in the flat region. Okay, so 3 people have voted 25%, and the rest majority, I think 6-7 people in red, so 2 people in the green. Okay, so that's how it has turned out to be. So again, even if Nifty breaks day's low, I'm not into any positions. Okay, so I'm only going for an upward move now, because I don't see much spike in the premium of the put options, except just now. But anyway, so thanks for streaming in. Please suggest it to your friends. We'll be sharing the videos of our trades today. Do not forget to share it to all of your friends, and keep supporting us. Okay, keep encouraging us, keep supporting us, and do share it to your friends so that they also get informed decisions. Trade sensibly in the market, keep a strict stop loss, have a good conviction of what you are going to do and what is the market trend. Analyze the trends, everything quickly. May your wealth grow well. And so that's it. Thanks for the time being. Okay, thank you so much.